Hey guys, Chef RedBeard here with another Dherbs video. This is our lovely liver detox. This is a wonderful smoothie. You see a lot of components here, but this is really, really good. Some fresh veggies, some fresh fruit, all going into a blender to make a wonderful smoothie that you can keep and store in your refrigerator for up to 4 days. You'll probably consume it way before then. So this smoothie has some apples. You can substitute green apples for red apples. These are some pink lady apples. Really sweet, gonna add some nice flavor to this. We have some spinach that is just hand torn. You can use a knife to chop it. Flat leaf parsley, not to be confused with cilantro. This is flat leaf parsley. You can find it in the herb aisle. Should be next to other curly cilantro or curly parsley, but we're looking for flat leaf here. We have 1 ripe banana, some turmeric, not to be confused with ginger. It's excellent for anti-inflammatory, so really help process all those toxins out of the liver. We have some cinnamon and some pea protein powder. It's enough to fortify just to give some boost to the smoothie. And for another optimal boost, we'll be using Dherbs Liver, Spleen, and Gallbladder formula. For the base, because we have such leafy vegetables and some fruit and harder vegetables, starchy like the carrots, we're gonna add the base first of 1 cup coconut milk. You can use any nut milk, almond milk, oat milk. To this, we'll add apples, our spinach, some walnuts. This is 3 walnut halves, just to add some body and some rich fat. 1 lemon squeezed. Cinnamon, earthy, going to provide some richness, little savory notes in there. Pick up on that sweet, that apple. It's going to be really good. Some parsley, refreshing. It's going to help cleanse the breath, also processing out those toxins from the liver. Our turmeric. This is just going to give it that bright yellow flavor and color. Our carrots. That 1 ripe banana, the brown, the more brown, the better. It's going to be sweetness in there, especially for this smoothie. Our pea powder protein. This is 2 tablespoons. And then lastly, for our boost, just pop it right out the capsule. This is 3 capsules here. And because it's so much in this blender, we're gonna let it go for about a minute. Okay, so it's been about a minute. And here we have this smooth, creamy, almost neon green from the parsley and the spinach, a little yellow peeking in from the turmeric. And here we have our lovely, lively liver smoothie. If you like this recipe and like to see others, make sure you like, share, and subscribe at www.dherbs.com/chef RedBeard. Make sure you hit the bell icon in the corner. Enjoy.